Did you know that over 50% of Amazon sellers make between 1,000 and 25,000 US dollars in sales every single month? Hi, I'm Crystal and I'm the founder of Sellers Society. If you are currently an Amazon seller and you're not getting the sales that you want, well, this is your opportunity to join the Sellers Society during our August challenge, where we challenge you to improve your sales, even double your sales in a very short amount of time. Our August challenge is open for registration between August 8th and August 28th. You can join at any time, but the sooner the better because you have more time to work on your business. We'll work with you one-on-one. We will analyze your listings and send you personalized reports. We will give you the sales strategies that you need to follow in order to improve your sales. And of course, you will have access to Sellers Society as a tool to help you better manage your PPC ad campaigns, improve your sales, and have a system to ask reviews from your new customers. You'll find all of the information on our website. The only criteria is you need to be an Amazon seller and you need to register to Sellers Society.